when we have more than one equations, when we have more than one equations having two variables, when we have more than one equations having two variables is called system of linear equation. When we have more than one equation having two variables is called system of linear equation. Is called system of linear equation. Concept clear? What is system of linear equation? Whenever we have more than one equation having two variables is called system of linear equation. There might be two equations, there might be three equations, there might be four equations up to n. Okay, bachcho? Then there is a point how to solve the system of linear equation. How to solve the system of linear equation. उसकी methods कौन से हैं? लिख लें. Next heading is methods to solve the system of linear equation. Methods to solve the system of linear equation. There are four methods. There are four methods to solve the system of linear equations. There are four methods to solve the system of linear equations. First is graphical method. First is graphical method. First is graphical method. Second is slope intercept form या approach. Second is slope intercept approach. Third is elimination method. Third is elimination method. Third is elimination method. And fourth is Gaussian approach. Gaussian Gaussian approach or Gaussian elimination method. What are the methods to solve the system of linear equation? There are four methods. कौन कौन से बच्चों? Graphical approach या graphical method. Second is slope intercept form, elimination method और Gaussian approach. या फिर Gaussian approach को दूसरा नाम क्या कह सकते हैं? That is also named as elimination method. Gaussian elimination method. Whenever we use the system of linear equation, after solving the system of linear equation, we will be getting a solution set. We will be getting a solution set. And that solution set maybe there might be unique solution, there might be no solution, there might be infinite solution. मैं दोबारा इसको कहता हूँ कि जब भी हम सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे, हाउ मेनी मेथड्स आर देयर? फोर मेथड्स. किसी भी मेथड को यूज करते हुए जब हम सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे तो we may get either unique solution, infinite solution or no solution. तो solution set, possible solution set कितने हो सकते हैं? How many are the possible solution sets? Three. There might be three possible solution sets. कौन कौन से बच्चों? Unique solution, no solution और infinite solution. किसी भी मेथड को यूज करें, हाउ मेनी मेथड्स आर देयर? फोर मेथड्स. किसी को यूज करें, सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद वी कैन गेट द सॉल्यूशन सेट. एंड वो सॉल्यूशन सेट कितनी टाइप्स के हो सकते हैं? थ्री. कौन कौन से? यूनिक सॉल्यूशन, नो सॉल्यूशन और इनफिनाइट सॉल्यूशन. सो इफ वी टॉक अबाउट ग्राफिकल मेथड, पहला मेथड कौन सा है? ग्राफिकल मेथड. ग्राफिकल मेथड में when we will be getting a unique solution. लिखें इसकी हेडिंग. ग्राफिकल मेथड इज मेन हेडिंग. ग्राफिकल मेथड. Graphical method. If we use graphical method, then we can have a unique solution. इसमें सब हेडिंग क्या होगी? यूनिक solution. What is subheading? Unique solution. Under the head of graphical method, first is unique solution. What can be second heading? Second subheading? No solution. Then infinite solution. Then कौन सा? Infinite. चलिए unique को समझते हैं. इसको लिखते हैं. When two or more lines intersect to each other at a single point or same point. When two or more lines intersect to each other at a single point or same point, that is called unique solution. That is called unique solution. अच्छा, लीनियर इक्वेशन अगर गिवन हो, हम किसको डिस्कस करें बच्चों? सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन. व्हाट इज सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन? when we have more than one equation, when we have more than one equation is called having two variables is called system of linear equation. Is called system of linear equation. So what is the unique solution? When we will be having a unique solution when two or more lines intersect to each other at a same point is called unique solution. Is called unique solution. Okay बच्चों, if we have linear equation, तो उसको ग्राफ उसका कैसे ड्रा किया जाता है? You have done with your exercise number 2.2. ग्राफ कैसे ड्रा करते हैं? जब भी आपके पास लीनियर इक्वेशन है उसका ग्राफ कैसे ड्रा करते हैं? First we find the x-intercept, then we find the y-intercept, then we draw the points on a Cartesian plane or graph. After when we draw the points, then we join the points, connect the point and extend the line. Is it? अगर two equations हैं तो कितनी लाइनें बनेगी? दो. अगर three equations हैं तो there will be three lines. अगर four equations हैं तो there will be four lines. If all lines intersect to each other at a same point, that is called unique solution. That is called unique solution. So ग्राफ को देखते हैं. For example, x-axis, y-axis. For example, here is a first line and here is another line. So are they intersecting to each other? For example, it's equation 1, it's equation 2. So are they intersecting to each other?
Yes, sir.
At the same point?
Yes, sir.
There might be a third line. I suppose there is a third line which is also intersecting. जितनी equations होंगी उतनी line ड्रा. So if they all are intersecting at a same point, at a single point, that is called unique solution. That is called unique solution. अगर इनमें से any of the line is not intersecting at a same point, which is having more than one intersection point, that will be having no solution. System का solution क्या हो जाएगा? No solution. There will be no solution. कोई confusion? Next is no solution. When two lines are parallel to each other, when two lines are parallel to each other, when two lines are parallel to each other, it means they will never intersect with each other. Understand correct? When two lines are parallel to each other, तो कभी एक दूसरे को intersect नहीं करेंगे. जब intersect नहीं करेंगे तो there is no solution. There is no solution. तो इसकी definition क्या है बच्चों? When two lines are parallel to each other, so then that is called no solution. Then is infinite solution. Then next is infinite solution. When two or more lines are placed at each other, when two or more lines are placed at each other. इसके सिंपल अगर हम कहें कि जब एक या दो लाइनें एक या एक से ज्यादा लाइंस एक दूसरे के ऊपर ही ड्रा, when two or more lines are placed at each other, so that is called infinite solution. तो देखें फॉर्मूला टू इक्वेशंस है. इक्वेशन वन का एक्स इंटरसेप्ट वाई इंटरसेप्ट, is it? Can we find the x intercept y intercept of equation वन? तो उससे फिर हमारे पास लाइन ड्रा हो जाएगी. If equation two is having the same intercepts, जो इक्वेशन वन के इंटरसेप्ट हैं इक्वेशन टू के भी अगर सेम इंटरसेप्ट हो, ओके, इक्वेशन वन के इंटरसेप्ट हो इक्वेशन टू का भी सेम इंटरसेप्ट हो, तो एक दूसरे के ऊपर ही ड्रा होगा. तो उसमें हम क्या कहेंगे? यू शुड बी वेरी विजिलेंट इन दिस कंसेप्ट. तो जब इंटरसेप्ट सेम होंगे ऑब्वियसली लाइनें भी एक दूसरे के ऊपर ही ड्रा होंगी. तो when two lines are placed at each other, so then that is called infinite solution. That is all about graphical form. Graphical method which is having three outcomes. And these outcomes may be क्या हो सकते हैं बच्चों? Unique solution? It may be no solution or infinite solution. तो जब भी सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन की बात करेंगे तो हमारे पास आउटकम कितनी सेंस में आना है बच्चों? थ्री में, या तो यूनिक, इनफिनाइट और नो सॉल्यूशन. देन वी गो फॉर द स्लोप इंटरसेप्ट. इसमें बच्चों स्लोप इंटरसेप्ट रिलेशन. स्लोप इंटरसेप्ट रिलेशन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सिंपल सा कंसेप्ट है. When m1 is not equal to m2, when m1 is not equal to m2, m1 is not equal to m2 is called unique solution. When m1 is not equal to m2, then it will be having unique solution. What is m1? Slope of equation 1. What is m2? Slope of equation. कोई confusion? Clear? लो में देखते हैं when m1 is equal to m2 means के slope of equation 1 is equal to slope of equation 2, but k1 is not equal to k2. What is k1? Constant of equation 1 and constant of equation 2. If they are different, so then we'll be having no solution. Slope में same है, डायरेक्शन क्या है दोनों की? सेम है, पैरेलल है, कभी भी एक दूसरे के इंटरसेक्ट में. लेकिन एक थोड़ा सा इधर प्लेस है, दूसरा इधर प्लेस है. इट मींस कि देयर कांस्टेंट्स आर डिफरेंट, देयर y इंटरसेप्ट्स आर डिफरेंट. ओके बच्चों. Third is it's having no solution. Third is infinite solution. When m1 is equal to m2 and k1 is equal to k2. It means सारी लाइनों की equations की slopes are same as well as their constants are same. जब स्लोप भी सेम है, कांस्टेंट भी सेम है, तो लाइनें एक दूसरे के ऊपर ही ड्रा. कंसेप्ट क्लियर? तो अगर इट विल बी वेरी आइडेंटिफाइड और क्लियर कि आपने कौन सी अप्रोच को यूज करते हुए क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना है. तो देयर माइट बी स्लोप इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म, देयर माइट बी ग्राफिकल फॉर्म, देयर माइट बी एलिमिनेशन मेथड और गॉसियन एलिमिनेशन अप्रोच. ये दो क्लियर? चले ओपन योर बुक, पेज नंबर 95, chapter number. If we look at question number 1 or 2, question number 10, exercise number 3.1, page number 95, the case is given in exercise number 1 to 10. Determine the nature of solution set. Nature of solution set कौन कौन सी हो सकती है बच्चों? unique,
No solution.
no solution,
Infinite.
or state infinite.
In exercise
In exercise
1 to 10 the question.
1 to 10 quickly पढ़ें.
Determine the nature of solutions at unique, infinite or no solution by comparing.
So we need to find the nature of solution set. Either it might be unique, low, or infinite by comparing slope
and y
by
coordinate.
coordinates of y-intercepts. It means he is talking about slope intercept form. कौन सी approach को यूज करेंगे? Slope intercept form will be using slope intercept form in question number 1 to question number 10. What is question number 1?
5x plus 5y
5x plus 5y
is equals to 0.
is equal to 0. It's equation 1.
Yes, sir.
It is equation 1. What is next?
Y
What's next? X is equal to
Minus 1.
minus y, equation 2. First we solve equation 1
then equation.
for equation 1. For equation 1. So 5x plus 5y is equal to 0. We are going to apply slope intercept form. First of all, we have to convert the equation into slope intercept form. What is slope intercept form?
Y is equals to mx
5y is equal to minus 5x plus 0. So y is equal to minus 5 divided by 5. Answer is 1 minus 1 into x plus 0. So what is m? m1.
m1 is minus 1.
m1 is minus 1. What is k1?
0.
0. So for equation 2, for
Equation 2.
equation 2, what is equation 2?
X is minus 5.
X is equal to
Minus 5.
minus 5. We need the variable y at left side and variable x on
Right.
right side. So it will be shifted to left side.
Y.
So y is equal to
Minus
x.
plus
Can 0.
zero.
we place 0 here?
Yes.
So what is m? m2
m2 is minus 1.
minus 1. What is k2?
0.
So keep in mind the concept. m1 is equal to
m2
m2 and
K1 is equal to K2.
k1 is equal to k2.
infinite.
So what is the nature of solution?
Infinite.
Infinite solution. Any query?
No, sir.
Easy question है?
Yes, sir.
चल. Next question number 9 लिखो बेटे.
Question number 9.
Yes. Question number 9. What is question number 9?
Minus x equals to minus
Minus x is equal to
y.
is equal to minus y. Then
3x plus 3y is equals to 0.
3x plus 3y is equal to 0. 3x plus 3y is equal to 0. It's equation 1. It's equation 2. It's equation 1 and it's equation 2. So for equation 1,
Y is equals to
for equation 1, minus x is equal to minus y. So y is equal to plus x.
plus 0.
Can we put 0?
Yes, sir.
So m1 is
1.
m1 is 1, k1 is 0. Now we solve for equation 2. For equation 2. What is equation 2?
3x plus 3y is equal to
3x plus 3y is equal to 0. So 3y is equal to minus 3x plus 0.
Y is equals to minus
So y is equal to minus 1 into x
plus 0.
plus 0. So m2 is equal to
Minus 1.
minus 1 and k2 is equal to
0.
0. So here is decision. Is m1 equal to
And
M2?
is not equal to.
not equal to m2?
Yes, sir.
So with nature of solution.
unique.
So we can say unique solution. We can say it has a unique solution. Question number 1 से question number 10 तक same इसी approach से solve है. Now question number 11 to question number 20. पढ़े बेटे statement क्या
In
है?
exercise 11 to 20,
Yes.
solve graphically and check your answer algebraically.
Algebraically. Solve graphically and check your answer algebraically. Remember, in these types of questions, you must be having graph. Otherwise, there is chance to get a wrong answer, wrong value. अच्छा, जब भी unique solution इसमें आएगा, whenever we are required a graph, if we are having a unique solution by utilizing graphical method, then we are required a graph. If it's having no solution or infinite solution, then we are not required a graph. You can place the graph even at page or at graph. Okay बच्चों? So अगर यूनिक सोल्यूशन होगा तो फिर 95% चांसेस हैं विदाउट ग्राफ सॉल्व करेंगे तो क्वेश्चन क्या हो सकता है, गलत हो सकता है. रीड क्वेश्चन नंबर 11.
2x minus 3y is equal to
क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 is 2x
minus 3y
3y is equal to
minus 13.
minus 13. Equation 1.
Yes, sir.
So equation 2 is
4x plus 2y
plus 2y is equal to
minus 2.
equation 2. Question is solve graphically and verify algebraically. Graphically equation 1 का ग्राफ बनेगा. equation 1 का ग्राफ बनेगा. It's my question. You have to answer. equation 1 का ग्राफ ड्रा कर सकते हैं या नहीं? equation 2 का ग्राफ कर सकते हैं. How we will draw the graph? Slope. हम पहले इंटरसेप्ट फाइंड करेंगे.
X intercept.
First we draw the graph. First we solve equation 1 for equation 1 or equation 1. So 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 13. Add x intercept.
Y is equal to 0.
To draw the graph, first we are required intercepts. First we are required intercepts. Add x intercept.
Y is equal to 0.
Intercept y is equal to 0. So 2x minus 3 into 0 is equal to minus 30. So 2x is equal to minus 30. X is equal to minus 6.5. What is x intercept? GR. What is x intercept?
At x minus 6.5.
Minus 6.5 and
0.
0. We are also required the y-intercept of same equation. At y-intercept
X is equal to 0.
x is equal to 0. So 2 into 0 minus 3y is equal to minus 13. Minus
Minus
13. So minus अगर इसको हम लिखें डायरेक्टली लिख लें y is equal to minus 13 by minus 3 is equal to 4.33. So what is y-intercept of equation 1?
Y
आप बताएं बेटे क्या नाम है आपका?
Hera.
बेटे क्या इसका y-intercept is equal to 0 and 4.3. These are the intercepts of equation 1. Same we are required the intercepts of equation 2. So for equation
2.
or equation 2, what is equation 2? 4x
Plus 2y.
plus 2y is equal to
minus 2.
Add x intercept.
Y is equal to 0.
Very good. X intercept y is equal to
0.
0. Y is equal to
0.
So 4 into 0 plus 2y is equal to minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2 by 2 is equal to minus 1. So what is y-intercept? Sorry.
Sorry, I'm not correct.
At we can name it at y-intercept x is equal to 0. So y-intercept is
0 minus 1.
0 and minus 1. 0 and
Minus 1.
Then we can solve for x-intercept at x-intercept intercept y is equal to
Zero.
0. So 4x plus 2 into 0 is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 by 4. Minus 2 by 4 is equal to minus 0.5. What is x intercept?
Minus 0.5,
Minus 0.5 and
comma 0.
0. किसी को कोई confusion?
No, sir.
So then we can draw the graphs. So here is a graph. I can try. कि हमारे पास ग्राफ ठीक हो, values side determine हो. Here is x-axis. Here is y-axis. Here we have negative axis. Okay, बच्चों? Negative x-axis. Here is negative y-axis. For example, here is 1, here is 2, 3, 4, 5, here is 6 and 7. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Here is 1, here is 2, here is 3, here is 4, here is 5. Okay, students?
Yes, sir.
We have extensively done with these types of questions. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Minus 5. First we place equation 1 on graph. What is x-intercept of equation 1?
minus 6.5 and 0.
Here is minus 6.5.
Yes, sir.
So we can draw the points.
Yes.
What is the value of points? Minus 6.5 and
0.
what is the y-intercept of equation 1?
0,
0 and 4.4. 4.33. Here is 4.5. But we are required 4.33. It can be a possible point. Draw the points and join the points. Then
extend
extend the line. That is the implication of where we extend the line. So we have put the points, then we have draw the points, then join the points and extend the line. What is the value at this point? 0 and
4.33.
4.33. Any confusion?
No, sir.
First equation clear?
Yes.
अगर बच्चों सेकंड इक्वेशन पे चलते हैं. सेकंड इक्वेशन, व्हाट इज x इंटरसेप्ट?
minus 0.5 and 0.
minus 0.5 here,
Yes, sir.
is it?
Yes, sir.
What's this point? Minus 0.5 and
Comma
0. What's the second point?
0. Intercept 0.
Y intercept is 0 and minus 1 here.
Yes, sir.
0 and minus 1, is it?
Yes, sir.
तो ये लाइन ऐसे ड्रॉ नहीं होगी. तो एक्सटेंड द लाइन. व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ एक्सटेंड द लाइन? मैं आपको ये बताता रहा हूँ कि मैं भी एक्सटेंड द लाइन हियर इट विल बी क्लियर. तो यहाँ पे उसने लाइन को इंटरसेक्ट किया. इस पॉइंट पे इन दोनों लाइनों ने एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट किया है या नहीं?
Yes.
When two lines intersect to each other at a same point, two or more lines intersect to each other at a same point, तो कौन सा solution? Unique solution. अगर ये लाइन एक पॉइंट इधर होता एक इधर होता तो फिर लाइंस कैसे होती? Parallel.
Yes, sir.
Then
सेम होगी और फिर वो
no solution. Then no solution. दोनों के इंटरसेप्ट, जो इसके इंटरसेप्ट है x इंटरसेप्ट y इंटरसेप्ट, इसी के भी सेम आते तो दोनों लाइन है एक दूसरे के ऊपर ड्रॉ. देन
Infinite.
अच्छा ग्राफ तो ड्रॉ कर लिया है, आगे क्या था? वेरीफाई अलजेब्रिकली. इसका मतलब है कि ये जो पॉइंट हमने फाइंड किया इस पे x की कोई वैल्यू होगी? y की कोई वैल्यू होगी? -2 and 3. It is a point. Keep in mind the Cartesian point, exercise number 1.5. In that exercise we were having 2 points. उन points को draw करते थे और आपस में उनका ग्राफ बनाते हैं, इज इट? कार्टेशियन है। तो हियर वी हैव पॉइंट्स जहां पे दोनों लाइनें एक दूसरे को क्या करती हैं, इंटरसेक्ट करती हैं। व्हाट आर द वैल्यूज? -2 and 3। तो फर्स्ट वैल्यू किसकी होती है बच्चों?
X cube.
x की। सो व्हाट इज x?
X is equals to -2.
-2। व्हाट इज y?
Y is equal to 3.
3। y is equal to 3। we have to verify algebraically। इसका मतलब क्या है? हम इन वैल्यूज को if we put in these equations, if both sides are equal to each other, then हमारा जो क्वेश्चन है वो क्या है, हमारी जो कैलकुलेशन है दैट्स करेक्ट। ओके बच्चों, एक्यूरेट। पुटिंग वैल्यू ऑफ x and value of
X and Y.
x and y in equation
1.
1. In equation 1, what is equation 1?
2x minus 3y minus 13.
Minus 3y is equal to minus 13. Minus 13. So what is 2? What is value of x?
-2.
Minus 2. Minus 3. What is y? 3 is equal to minus 30. Is equal to minus 13. Minus 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 13. So minus 13 is equal to.
Minus 13.
Got the point?
Yes.
तो algebraically prove हो गया.
Yes.
Verify algebraically. So again we put the values in equation 2. Putting
Equation 2.
the values किस चीज की? Of x and y in equation 2. In equation 2. What is equation 2?
4x plus 2.
4x plus 2y is equal to
-2.
-2. What is value of x?
-2.
-2. What is value of y?
3.
3 is equal to -2. -8 plus 6 is equal to -2. So -2 is equal to
-2.
True.
concept clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is it verified?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So this is about question number 1 to question number 20. We have to solve question number 1 to question number 20, and this is the part of your assignment. Exercise number 3.1. We have done with first 20 questions. Question number 1 to question number 10 are related to slope intercept form, and question number 11 to question number 20 are related to graphical form. Then we need to verify our answer algebraically. So that is all about today's lecture, and I will look forward to you students in our next class. So when your assignment is due, I convey the message to all students. Thank you very much.